Now to some developing news out of Washington, D.C., where the Supreme Court issued a number of rulings today, including one ruling in favor of a January 6th rioter charged with obstruction. The court's ruling clarifying and narrowing the law used to charge him. NBC's Bree Jackson live in Washington. She has more details on this ruling. Bree, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, Jay. So this could be a very consequential ruling. The Supreme Court today siding with the January 6th rioter and a decision that could actually benefit former President Trump. Today's ruling gave the defendant a shot at throwing out one of the charges he faces for the attack at the U.S. Capitol. The former police officer is among hundreds of January 6 defendants, including former President Trump, who have been charged with obstructing an official proceeding over the efforts to prevent Congress's certification of President Biden's election victory. Now, in the 6-3 ruling, the Supreme Court agreed that the obstruction charge should be more narrowly used, saying it was only intended to apply in limited circumstances involving tampering with physical evidence. Now, the justices have now sent this case back to the lower court to determine whether the Justice Department can still prosecute the defendant under the narrowed interpretation of the law. Attorney General Merrick Garland said in a statement that he was disappointed by the decision because of the impact it would have on the Justice Department's January 6 cases, although he stressed it would not affect the bulk of them. Now, Chief Justice John Roberts wrote in the majority opinion that the government's view of the law's reach defies the most plausible understanding of the statute in question, a statute that does call for a prison sentence of up to 20 years. Now, it's not yet known how or if today's ruling will affect the case against former President Trump. Jay?
All right. A lot of eyes are on that. Bree Jackson live in Washington. Bree, thank you very much.